Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio problem in Football Manager 26. So here follow the fixes. Solution 1. Steps to fix sound problem in Football Manager 26. On your PC, open Windows settings, then click on System, Sound, Advanced and then click on More Sound Settings. Click your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. Go to Spatial Sound tab, click the drop down box and select Off. Then click on Apply and then OK. If Spatial Sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones instead. Now go to the Enhancements tab, check mark Loudness Equalization and then click on Apply and then OK. Now launch Football Manager 26 and check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Next solution is steps to fix audio problem in Football Manager 26 if you are using a Bluetooth headphone. So if you are using a Bluetooth headphones, then here follow the steps. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer setting. Right click your headphones and select properties. Now go to the services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then hit apply. Now launch the game and check if it solves your issue or not. Third solution is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the Football Manager 26 game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using a speaker to see if any sounds play. Solution 4 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check if it fixes your problem or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to solve sound or audio problem in Football Manager 26 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.